Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TradingSenses.com. So in this video, guys, I want to change a little bit and I'm here to make a full analysis on SPY and QQQ, the global market. Let's see what is happening there. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so SPY QQQ guys, as every week for the past 2-3 weeks, I'm going to keep doing that because it's very important actually. You know, if you don't know what is the global market doing, it's very hard to trade stocks. I'm, trading stocks on Discord, and right now I'm just waiting, alright, because, I mean, I take some positions, but I don't go, with big sizes and take huge positions because the global market is telling me that we are in a corrective phase, all right? And that it's not over and that we're going to see a lot of fake outs in both directions, on the upside, on the downside. So buying breakouts in this situation is not good. I mean, not right now. I'm going to tell you when I think is the time, and to know when it's the time, guys, we need to pay attention to volume. All right, so this is what I want to emphasize in this video. I'm going to show you how I use volume to get information about what is the market doing. And once again, guys, I'm not going to do the full speech here, but I'm building a course, guys, that is amazing, with like some content that you won't find anywhere, guys, because it's based on my experience. I've been working on that course for the past 6 months, guys. It's really good. I believe that. And if you don't like it, you're fully refunded. So if you want to be part of this project, guys, just subscribe on the link, click on the link in the description of this video, and you're gonna receive a 50% discount to when the course is gonna be released within 1 or 2 weeks. So let's go back to what I was saying, volume, guys. So how can we here use the volume? So, all right, I'm using some Elliott wave theory, but to be honest, Elliott wave theory is very useful once you understand how to use the major price action dynamics, volume, volatility, momentum. If you don't know that, I mean, Elliott wave theory is not going to help you. You're not going to know where are the waves, when is, breakouts are helping you to know when the wave is complete. All right. Here, for example, this was the signal, the A wave was complete. Okay. This, because I have a breakout here. So if you don't know when there is a short-term reversal, you don't know when the wave is complete. So you're going to put your waves just randomly and it's not going to be useful. So whatever. Here I have some Elliott wave counting, but actually I don't use it much for now. What I'm paying attention to is the volume. So once again, we had this first move down. So as you can see, guys, this was the beginning of a correction with a strong volume increase. Okay, then we had this fake out situation that I told you would happen, these bull traps that are coming very often when we have this strong rebounds. All right. So here the fake out occurred, guys, once again on extremely low volume, as you can see. I just want to check it here. Okay, you see the volume is here, so it's one of the lowest volume we had trading. So of course this is not a good trading signal. We've been through that already. And right now what is happening? We are in the C wave, I believe. So what can we expect in terms of volume? First, is the volume going to be bigger during a C wave or a wave? Good question. So to answer that, I would say that it depends, but most likely the volume is going to be bigger during the A wave when there is a lot of panic, okay, because we are starting a correction. And during a C wave, you're still going to have some volume increase, but at the end of the C wave, you're going to have a very low volume period that is preceding a reversal, okay? Before a reversal, you have low volume. Keep that in mind. So we expect that the volume increases somewhere in the middle of the C wave, but then it gets really low. All right, if we come here, I'm not sure we're going to come here. It's my scenario. So I believe we're going to come here, but of course I'm not sure. And I want to see a volume like here, those low volume. And if I see that, okay, those low volume here, then it will make me confident that a reversal is going to come. And I'm probably going to start to buy here. If I see that we come here with massive volume, okay, then I know that we are in a COVID crisis mode. All right, let's check how it was. You see, so this is the COVID crisis, A, B, C, but the difference, guys, is this. All right, A, B with the usual bull trap, C, but look at that, volume increase. All right, so the situation is a bit different, guys. It's a crisis, so we can see we have the volume increase until the end. But usually during corrections that are not crisis, you have a volume decrease at the end of the correction. And then, you know, here we had the volume decrease only here. Okay, so this was a good signal, for example, to enter. All right, buying here was dangerous because you have a breakout, true, but with no volume increase. But it's understandable because there was such a huge volume trading before during the crisis. Then it makes it harder to have a volume increase even when you have a good breakout. So whatever. What I wanted to show you guys here, I don't want to give you too much information. In the same time, once again, in my course, guys, I take this step by step. It's 8 hours of video, guys. 33 videos where I explain this very well, guys. So if you're interested, just come here. Here, I need to go quickly, guys. It's short videos, you know, it's YouTube. What I wanted to say is that, yeah, we expect the volume to get lower at the end of the C wave. Okay, we're gonna be monitoring that for sure. But so what do we expect now during? So I think we're in the C wave. Once again, I've told you guys last week that we will correct again, and we did. Monday was bullish. Okay, Tuesday was Monday was so-so. Tuesday was bullish. Wednesday was bullish as well, and then Thursday, Friday bearish. So the week was bearish. If I check the weekly time frame, you know, we lost 1.5%. We had a bearish week. So I'm still saying we're gonna have one more bearish week. This time I think we're gonna accelerate. So as you can see, the volume is slowly starting to increase, but it's much smaller than what it was during the beginning of the wave. So this is looking like a typical C wave to me, not very risky. But if I see, for example, here I reduced a little bit my short position. For those who are in Discord with me, you saw that. If I see too many days with low volume, then it's also saying that maybe the C wave is not a C wave and it's a 1-2. Okay, we need to be prepared for this alternative scenario, which is possible, guys, is that the correction is actually over, the ABC is here. It's possible, guys. Everything is possible in trading. And if you're not prepared for the alternative scenario, this is when you might lose money and sometimes a lot. Okay, so be prepared for everything. It's possible that it's a 1-2 and that we get a 3. All right, if we have a 3 here coming, guys, the volume is going to increase with green days. So we're going to see that. We're going to know that this correction is over. For now, yeah, so I was saying that here we had those 2 low volume days. And if I see too many of those, when basically nothing is happening, it's telling me that the C wave might not be a C wave. So I'm paying attention to that. For example, if next week we start to pause here like that, and we consolidate the whole week, this looks very much like this is not a C wave, okay? So the more days with low volume where nothing happens right now the more we can say that this scenario is not the right one and it's a 1-2. If we go on the downside and we see that we go on the downside with volume that are big but not bigger than at the beginning, this is telling us that this is a normal C wave and that we need to buy between 405 and 415. Now, if we see that we come to 415, 405 with a volume that is bigger than that, guys, this is bad. I don't think this will happen, but if I see that, I'm going to be here to tell you, don't worry, that this is bad and that we should not buy here. All right, this would be a massive bull trap. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to be here, guys, to tell you what I think will happen. Everything will be all right. I'm very confident that this C wave is not too deep, but everything is possible. We have Russia, Ukraine that might enter war, guys. So this is, you know, some big things. We have inflation that is coming, guys. I mean, not coming, that is here. Rates are going to increase. So we have a lot of things that might tell us that this year might be a bit bloody, but my preferred scenario is just that we have we dip to here, then we have some ups and down, and then finally, maybe later, guys, maybe this is a little bit too bullish, maybe something like that in June, September, we start to be really bullish again, guys, and I'm gonna be here to buy this market. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.